Alright, today we are going to do a low beam conversion for LEDs for the 4Runner. If you have a 4Runner, you probably noticed that the lights are a joke, and it's crazy that they have terrible halogens on brand new cars. So we're going to swap out the low beams with the Morimoto 2Stroke 2.0s. And if you're going to order those, it's the H11 kit, and we'll put a link in the comments. So here we go. Let's get started. Your bulbs are going to ship with the bulbs themselves and 2 wiring harnesses. First thing we got to do is we got to get the bulbs out of the box, obviously. You check them out, look at them, yep, they look good. And then after that, all we're going to do is go ahead and plug in those wiring harnesses. So here we go, wiring harness number 1. We did it, success. Then we got to do the second one. Once we get that second one plugged in, you're going to grab your bulbs, go pop your hood, and we're going to go over to the passenger side. So you're looking for that dust cap right there. Behind that dust cap is going to be your low beam. So you're going to get in there and you need to fiddle with it for a while and kind of figure out how to get your hand in there. You can see me really struggling, trying to figure it out. It does turn lefty-loosey. If you're wondering if it might be threaded the wrong way, it's not. You just give it like a little quarter turn to the left and it pops right out. So once you pull that cap off, you need to get in there and you'll pull out the existing halogen bulb. That's again the same thing. You're going to give that about like a quarter turn to the left. It's pretty hard to get your hand in there. So again, kind of look in the hole a little bit, fiddle around, try and reach it, turn it and think you're turning it too hard and breaking it, but you're not. And then you got it out. So once you've got that thing popped out of the housing in there, you're just going to unclip it. So right now I'm in there unclipping everything. There we go. It's unclipped. And then you can take the other end of your wiring harness and just clip it in exactly where you just pulled out the factory halogen bulb. So you're good. You're all wired up. Next we're going to go check it. So there we go. Lights on. Good. There you go. Turn it back off. You don't want the fan whirring the whole time you're trying to install it and everything. So what I just pointed to there is you'll notice that on the bulb there's 3 notches and one of them is slightly larger and you need to line that up with the hole inside. So it's pretty obvious. When you look in there you'll see it. The thing that's a little tricky is that you do have to push a lot harder than you expect. You'll notice on the bulbs that there's this rubber gasket and you really have to like shove that hard enough that the gasket almost flips inside out. That's what makes it dust and waterproof. So you really gotta like jam that thing pretty hard and then give it that half turn. The other thing is make sure to grab like the main part of the housing. The backing actually will just twist if you're just holding on to like the very back. So you want to grab the meaty part of it and really jam it in there and twist it. It's going to seem kind of hard the first time. Again, you can see me really fiddling with it, but it's easier on the second one. So now we got it in, and now we just have this whole wiring harness, and you're just gonna jam it all into the back of the light housing. So you shove it all in there the best you can. I did my best to try and keep it clear of the back of the bulb. The back of the bulb is basically all fan. So trying to give it as much airflow. And then all you have to do is pop your dust cap back on. There we go. And you're all done. We're not going to show you the driver's side. It's exactly the same. It's a little tighter. And then you just admire your work. Ooh, new bulb. Looks so good. Ugh, old bulb. So muddy, so gross. Ooh, new bulb. Alright, you did it. Got lights, hopefully. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. We'll respond. And if you liked it, like and subscribe and look at all of our drip videos. They're fun.